HubSpot Data Enrichment with MARCOM Robot. Need to get more intelligence about your contacts and companies than what HubSpot out-of-the-box enrichment provides? Here's how MARCOM Robot can help. Our data quality engine enriches your HubSpot data in real time, so a big part of your database instantly gets fields such as industry, company size, HQ location, and tens more. But that's just part one. We then consolidate all records that we haven't found a match for, and continuously recrawl the information to enrich the remaining records. As a result, you're getting superior match rates and unmatched precision. Oh, and did we mention the business email validation feature that helps identify junk emails that you can remove and save on storage costs? Learn more about our data enrichment tool for HubSpot by visiting marcomrobot.com.